What's up guys, we're back at Eurotrash. We're finally back and we're doing some big shit today. Well, we've actually already done some, but we forgot to vlog. We're putting the engine in today. We've already actually put the engine and gearbox in, but we thought we'd give you guys a quick update on Eurotrash because it has been so long. And Dylan's actually done quite a lot since I've been away, and I haven't been here to film it all, but I'm here today, so we'll see what he's done today. And Zach's here too. We've got another few blokes coming later.
Do you have the gearbox mount, bro?
No, gearbox mount. Gearbox mounts are done, yeah, they're tight.
Yep.
Hi Zach.
Hey, Shay.
See, we're ready for the engine in, but I filmed that anyway, so we got that half-assed. But all right, Dylan, it's been a hot minute.
It's been a while, my friend.
What did we do last time we were here? I think it was the wheels. You made the wheels.
Yeah.
That's how long ago it was.
Yeah.
So what have we done since then?
Built an engine.
Which is that. Look at it.
Big old yin yang skinny thing.
The Ross Performance Part stuff. We still have to put a turbo on though, don't we?
Yeah, turbo inlet manifold.
And that's ready?
All the fun shit, yeah, bro. All the oil lines.
So, oh, look at that. Oh, you've done some stuff in the boot?
Yeah, made some more carbon stuff.
All that shit. It's got the lines in there. Oh, and look at this bad boy. Look at that. How'd you make them? Just like winged it?
Yeah, I'll wing everything, bro. Look at the dash and that. Everything's winged.
Oh, and the windows are new. These things, which he made.
Oh, and all the pedal boxes all plumbed in and everything as well.
So the pedals are actually wired in, or not yet? Oh, there's bro.
It's all plumbed in.
Okay. Oh yeah, I see the line. Where's this from? Super Jake.